guys, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Lotus. This is me Shamsi Anis with you guys. And how is everyone doing? I hope everybody is doing good and ready to celebrate Eid al-Adha. So before I get into all the Eid al-Adha preparations, I thought I'll do a quick video on how am I gonna make ready my pets for the celebration. So this will be like a teeny tiny quick video on how am I gonna pet them, groom them, quick petting and grooming at home itself without taking them to any grooming salon. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy this video because there gonna be a lot of running, screaming, shouting, pulling, pinching and all that stuff. They are not with me, they are sleeping there, so let me go get them and take them one by one. Actually I have two pets, I'll introduce them in a while. So I will take one by one and I'll trim them, cut their nails, give them a bath and make them ready for this celebration. So if you're interested in watching, please keep on watching.
So here comes the pet number one. His name is Simba. We call him Simba Puppy. So petting your pets at home is sometimes a little tricky, but if you have little patience and little time, it's not that bad also. So most of the time I do grooming at home only. I always start with trimming the nails and carefully seeing if any dirt is there inside. If then I clean that also, followed by trimming the excess hair which you can see popping out of his hand from down and behind also. So I'll just quickly do the whole thing and then I'll take him to the bathtub for shower. Before I start trimming his hair, I'll just comb his hair thoroughly to get rid of all the hairballs he's having. The trimmer I'm using here is a special trimmer for trimming only pets' hair. So if anyone is interested in buying this, I'll link the Amazon link for this because I bought this from amazon.ae. So I'll link it in the description box below. By the time I almost finished his trimming, Simba lost all his patience and he was literally having a fight with me. He wanted to bite off my hand actually.
This is our second pet, and her name is Tokyo. She is actually calm and quiet, but I don't know today what happened. She was resisting a lot, but somehow I managed to cut her nails. She doesn't need trimming because she's already short hair, so I just combed off her hair. That's it. Now, after this, I will be taking one by one to the bathtub and I'll start giving shower and bubbling them. It's shower time. So that's my daughter who is helping me to give shower to both of them. And now actually Simba is sitting very calm and quiet, but you can see in the video n number of times he tried to escape the shower. You can see in the video like gradually when he gets more wet, he just wanted to somehow escape the shower. So here we are done with Simba's shower. Usually I hair dry their hairs, but now it is summertime in UAE, so I let it dry by itself. I just towel dried and I let them free. By the way guys, I forgot to say I normally use the normal shower gel on them because they don't have any problems. But if your pet is having any skin issue or fur issue, please consult your vet and use the medicated one. Voila, my love bugs are ready. So that's it guys, I am done with their prepping. Simba is looking mashallah so cute and Tokyo is so irritated with that whale on her. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon, also like this video. And if you guys are there in Instagram, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, that is Dazzling Lotus. So until we meet next time in another brand new video, this is Shamsi Anis signing off. Take care, bye bye, happy Eid Mubarak.